The 12 English tenses and their uses. Tense uses. Past simple. 1. To describe an action completed in the past. 2. To describe past habits or routines. 3. To describe a sequence of past actions. 4. To describe actions or situations that were true in the past but are no longer true. Past continuous. 1. To describe an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. 2. To describe an action that was interrupted by another event in the past. 3. To set the scene in the past, describing background information or actions. 4. To describe two actions happening at the same time in the past. Past perfect. 1. To describe an action completed before another action in the past. 2. To describe a past action with a cause-effect relationship with another past event. 3. To emphasize the completion of an action before another event in the past. Past perfect continuous. 1. To describe an ongoing action that was happening before another action in the past. 2. To show the duration of an action up to a point in the past. 3. To describe a repeated or continuous action that had been happening before a past event. Present simple. 1. To describe habitual actions or routines. 2. To state general truths or facts. 3. To describe feelings, emotions, and states. 4. To give directions or instructions. 5. To describe scheduled future events, e.g., timetables. Present continuous. To describe an action happening right now. 2. To describe an action happening around the present time. 3. To describe future plans or arrangements. 4. To describe temporary actions or situations. 5. To describe trends or changes. Present perfect. 1. To describe an action that happened at an unspecified time in the past but has relevance to the present. 2. To describe an action that started in the past and is still relevant now. 3. To describe experiences or accomplishments. 4. To describe an action that has just been completed with just. Present perfect continuous. 1. To describe an action that started in the past and is still continuing or has recently stopped. 2. To emphasize the duration of an action that started in the past and continues to the present. 3. To describe repeated actions or actions that were ongoing in the past but are now finished. Future simple. 1. To describe an action that will happen in the future. 2. To make predictions or promises. 3. To describe spontaneous decisions or offers. 4. To express a future fact or certainty. Future continuous. 1. To describe an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future. 2. To describe an action that will be in progress at a particular point in the future. 3. To express a planned action in the future. 4. To describe an action in progress at a future moment. Future perfect. 1. To describe an action that will be completed before another event or time in the future. 2. To make predictions about completed actions in the future. 3. To emphasize the completion of an action before a future point in time. Future perfect continuous. 1. To describe an action that will be ongoing until a specific point in the future. 2. To emphasize the duration of an action that will be completed by a certain future time. 3. To describe an action that will continue up until a future point and show how long it will last.